If you like architectural building sets, you really got to check this out here. This is the Tower Bridge of London here. First off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out. So you can see this is a really nice detailed replica of the Tower Bridge here. It's got chains there on the suspension bridge that goes up and down. The bridge here goes up and down as well. You can see the arch there above the road. Super cool. They got the spires up here. Yeah, just a super cool looking piece there. Well, it came with this really nice detailed instruction booklet here. You can see it's 970 pieces, ages 6 and up. Really nice and detailed there. It was quite fun to put together. It took a little bit of time, but nice and fun. You can see they also have a ton of other architectural buildings here. Super cool. So if you've been to any of these, it'd be really fun and nice to collect these. And then, yep, there's the box that came in. Super high quality, really cool looking piece. So yeah, if you're into building these, make sure you check this out.